graduate. I welcome you all on behalf of IZM English Medium High School. Respected trustees, Mr. Sajjad Varteji sir, Mr. Shafi Lotanwale sir, principal, teachers and my dear students. We are happy to celebrate our 30th annual day. IZM High School was founded by Mullah Asghar Zafari in the year 1992 for the purpose of giving education to the children of Avalkonda. Since then, IZM is trying hard to give them the best education. Many ups and downs have happened since then. In the year 2019, Manadil High School from Gujarat and Hussaini Education Welfare Trust Bhavnagar has taken up the challenge to give education to the children of Avalkonda. We thank you, sir, for your contributions towards education. We can see a big change and improvements in terms of management, infrastructure, academic growth, and students' personal development. Our aim is to provide good education with the best available resources and make IZM High School the best school in the whole district. We are growing and expanding from 230 students to 400 students till now, and from a team of 12 teachers to 18 teachers who are very much talented and inspiring to the students. We must say that we have the best dedicated teachers team with us. We have seen remarkable changes and developments being made in terms of infrastructures, methodologies and academic growth. Now, new computers have been added to the school in computer lab. Science lab has been renovated. We have built a new compound wall around the school campus. We have built new separate washrooms for boys and girls. The trust at Gujarat is continuously working hard to give good education with modern facilities and tries to give education in a very easy format and improving the infrastructure. Our future targets of the school are to make education easily and understandable to the capacity of the students, concentrate on weak students, increase the marks of 10th class students in board exams, conducting spell bee competitions, conducting maths table reciting competitions, conducting elocution competitions. We are seeing a lot of improvements in our students as compared to other schools in terms of academics and in extracurricular activities. Parent-teacher collaboration is an important part of a student's education. When the family of a student is able to communicate with their child's teacher, the two sides can work together to build a relationship and create an optimal learning environment both at home and at school. Our parents of IZM school students are taking their responsible part in improving the child's overall growth in academics, extracurricular activities, and in all-round development of the students. Once again, I would like to thank our trustees, Mr. Sajjad Varteji sir and Mr. Shafi Lotanwale sir, and all our parents, students, teachers for your presence with us. Hope you enjoy the day with us. Thank you all.